We guide you through how to block screenshots on WhatsApp and understand what can and can't be protected. First thing you need to know is that WhatsApp does not fully block screenshots for normal chats. However, it does block screenshots for view once photos and videos. To enable this, open WhatsApp, go to any chat, tap the attachment icon, select a photo or video, then tap the view icon so it turns into a 1. Send the message, and once the recipients open it, they won't be able to take a screenshot. If they try, WhatsApp will block it or notify them that screenshots aren't allowed. For regular chats, the only way to add privacy is by enabling screen lock in WhatsApp settings, which prevent others from opening your chats from does not stop screenshots once a chat is open. This is currently the one official way WhatsApp protects content from screenshots.